Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Realme 10 device, and now I can show you how to factory reset your phone. So firstly, you need to open Settings application, then scroll down and choose System Settings. Then scroll down again, choose Backup and Reset the phone, erase all data, confirm your pattern lock and click Erase Data. Erase data again and wait until your device will reboot. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel and bye. See you!